Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zakia Marifa. Experience through it is first thing that he was learned from the freshman year lesson through confidence and cause sophomore year was more through tragedy and failure. The first year, the first thing he learned was how to break it in its course, its living life, and being introvert. When he wants to be a capable man, like starting to take two different people and making jokes with his roommate. He has to learn to live in a new environment, to learn how to deal with other people who have a different lifestyle than himself. Everything's not easy for him to do. He's often going through failure, rejection, and fear, but he always thought himself he'd be fine and many things could be taken from the crowd. He became a lot of courage and not easily displayed. In the end, it will always be your responsibility to figure out what to do. From here, you course how to uh, understand your situation and move forward. Healthy for a personal day equals to cry mostly, but that's not the point. Small things and focus he life as a whole help it. He appreciates the little things and focus on what really matters in his life because in the end he realized that it did not happen on purpose. It just happened, and his suffering did not come from the event themselves. Just means in the first year and the second year are not the ends of the different spectrum. They were two very different years, but in terms of impact on him and the lessons he had learned and how grateful he was for how each lesson was played, they almost the same. After Lisa went to college in her first year, she found out that the college was so big, much bigger than she thought before. The college also allows you to have fun while working hard. College is seen not only as a pleasant pledge, but as a pledge that teaches individual responsibilities. College is not just a place where you have to work hard and study all the time, but also to earn your degree in order to help you get a job and in turn pay your college fees. Entering college come with a lot of responsibility and independence. College means getting a higher education to help you succeed later in your life and for 4 years of your life, and college will help you figure out what kind of person you're going to be. What she learned from her college experience in her first year was a very exciting college life as she got lots of good friends and lots of kids of friends. She learned to be more responsible for everything she's been through. She really felt how to live without parents. That is in a situation where she had to do everything by herself, how to handle everything on her own, how to arrange monthly money to be enough for a month and not ask for more until the next month, and learn to sort out what needs are really needed. Last year was the first year I entered the world of lectures. At first I felt sad and disappointed for not entering the dream campus, but as time went by, I began to accept and sincerely what God had destined for me. The first time I went to college, I felt very scared, embarrassed, and nervous because I meet a lot of people in different areas. But I'm going to keep learning and trying to get rid of the feelings in me. From my experience during college, I'm the same as Lisa is experienced. The goal of my goal is to please two parents gain knowledge, skill degree, which will later be useful in the world of rock. The word of school teaches us a lot, whether it's about life or education. Here, we're expected to be responsible, disciplined, moral, and moral good individuals. What I have been through life in college is when I'm given a challenge that I do not want. For example, I have to go from home to college to home, reading a motor with a fairly long distance. In this world of lectures, I find a lot of people with different personality and character. In this classroom, what I learned a lot of things that made me a better person. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.